Hey everybody, this is not really a DIY project, but rather one that we've paid for. In fact, we've spent nearly 20 grand on it, but we've got a new roof here. Show you a bit of what it looked like before we had the roof, and then we'll get into what it looks like now. But we've been discussing all sorts of different options about what we might do in this area. This is our outdoor barbecue, eating, entertaining kind of area. And there's all sorts of things you could do. You could go laser light, you can go pergola of some sort of timber thing with perspex. You know, the options are endless. In the end, we've decided to go with this Louvred roof, and we're very happy. Let's check it out. Well, Jenny, what do you think about our new Louvred roof?
Absolutely fantastic.
From All Screens here in Bairnsdale, they've done it. I better check out the manufacturer. I'll put that info in here, but we've got a little remote control here.
Perfect.
And EVO, oh that was the wrong one. So to open it up, you can see.
I think I'll just stop it there.
Yeah, you get full control of the louvers and drainage as well for when it is raining. Also, you have the option, not an option, included in it is a rain sensor. It will close up when it starts to rain. So you can have it fully open and in the fully vented position, but have it tilted against the sunshine. So working from a completely open space, how it was, and the table was deteriorating as well as the outdoor furniture, we now have this fully functioning roof. Colour bond to match in with the house. Steel post, independent of the fence. What a fantastic thing to have done. All drainage, I've got to just put a downpipe in. It's fantastic. We now have a dry area, summer and winter. We have sunshine, summer and winter. Just depends on the option that we choose. Thanks for watching, guys. We're very excited.